Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 3 ounces of Vaseline. Vaseline is a popular petroleum jelly brand that is rich in mineral oils and natural waxes. It is known for its moisture locking properties and has multiple uses. Vaseline creates a protective covering to prevent moisture loss. It is believed that this property of Vaseline can help your hair retain moisture, strengthen, and prevent breakage. Second ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of cloves. Cloves helps to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add healthy shine to the hair shaft. The antioxidants of cloves help to increase circulation to the scalp, in turn work to stimulate new healthy hair growth. The third ingredient is going to be 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Fenugreek helps in treating dandruff, itchy and flaky scalp, treating hair loss, triggering hair growth, adding the lost shine to your hair, and also helps to regrow hair loss. While it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, it also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. So the first step to this DIY is you're going to want to do the double boiler method in order to infuse the Vaseline. So you just want to take the Vaseline and place it into the bowl, and as you can see, it's beginning to melt. And then once you've placed that into the bowl, then you want to add the cloves as well as the fenugreek into the bowl as well.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying,
Next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of moringa oil. Moringa oil has built a reputation for promoting natural hair growth due to the high content of key nutrients such as vitamins A, B, E, and zinc. Next, you want to add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. It will help moisturize, thicken, strengthen, and rapidly increase hair growth. It will also prevent hair breakage, dandruff, eczema, and dry, itchy scalp. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil is one of the fewer oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. The fats also strengthen the hair shaft and prevent hair breakage and promote scalp health. Also, when it comes to the carrier oils, you can choose any 3 carrier oils that you would prefer. So then you're just going to allow it to sit and infuse for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after about 30 minutes, you want to add your favorite essential oil. I'll be using rosemary. You can add about 10 to 15 drops. So then you just want to remove the mixture from the heat and place it into a container. So when it comes to the shelf life of this DIY, it will last about 12 to 18 months. When it comes to the use of this DIY, you can use this DIY 2 to 3 times a week. All you have to do is just apply it to your hair like you would any hair grease or any pomade. After placing the mixture into a container, you just want to allow it to cool down so that way the Vaseline could get back to its natural solid state. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.